Okay, I want to do a review on a NeoAir Xlite by Therm-a-rest. This one here is 3.2 R value. I got the big long one, or wide one I should say. It's 25 inches. The regular size is 72 inches by 20. This one's 77 by 25. So for $129.99, you get the regular one, weighs 12 ounces. This one weighs 16 ounces, but it's lighter than my I had a Klymit V pad, something or other, V static, and it just about worthless. Really didn't like it. This thing does a much better job keeping you warm. It's compactable. This is me rolling it back up next to a small hydro flask. It's just a really good deal. And I paid $159.99, got it on sale and free shipping for backcountry. Right now they say $199, but they have sales. I know you can buy it right now for $179.99 from QU. And just good review. I really like it. Okay, so there it is, all blowed up. One thing I'll say, it does take about 3 times the effort to blow it up compared to that Klymit, but it's worth it. You lay on it, you can feel the warmth. It's got that reflective whatever space blanket stuff in there, so it's a huge difference because it doesn't compress, it keeps you off the ground. I'll say the first one I bought from backcountry came, and I had to blow it up 3 times that night. I thought maybe because it's holding the extra air, it's deflating at night. Because air in there, you blow up hot air and it cools off. It got down to, I don't know, maybe 35 degrees or something that night. And that wasn't the case whatsoever. I took it home, blew it up, and it just leaked air like crazy. I called backcountry, and first they kind of gave me a little bit of they just weren't real great. But then I called and complained, and they had one in the mail, and told me to send this one back, or the other one back. This is a good one. This one holds air like a champ, so I really like it. And I mean, this is, plenty wide across here, so a narrower guy could get away with it. I could have got away with a narrow one, but I'm gonna trade that in. I ordered a enlightened quilt, and being that quilt isn't gonna go all the way around you, I didn't ever want to be laying on the ground. So I went with this. I'm real happy with it. It does weigh like a half pound more than the smaller one. It's quite a bit difference in weight, but I'm saving a lot of weight on the quilt, so I'm gonna spend a little extra here. And I went with, I think, a 15-degree quilt is what I ordered, so this will make a big difference. The other thing is, this year my wife is going to use